leave your message after the tone.
Hi Mignon, I just wanted to thank you for being with us. I always wanted to pack my bags and go. For me personally, it was an amazing road trip around Iceland. It is incredible country full of fire and ice. And yeah, it's scenery, waterfalls, and of course northern lights. Just never seen such a variety and beauty in one place.
Yeah, Dominik, I think it was a great adventure, full of improvisations. Did you remember when we had to sleep in the car? Or during the nights we were staying in tents and prepared our food? Well, I think that's what life is about, We need to get out of the comfort zone, because only then we discover who we really are and how amazing is the world around us.
Hi guys, I'm happy to say it was one of the best weeks of my life. We drove in day and night, sometimes without knowing where we're going, and I could feel adventure every second. We planned nothing, because when nothing is for sure, anything could happen.
For me, this journey also represents a true friendship. A relationship between friends who are seeking adventure and chasing their dreams. It's like an adventure book which I would love to open and dive into the story. Good friends know all of your best stories. Best friends have lived those stories with you.
Hi everyone, the idea about this video was kind of like a live the story. I mean, the car you saw in the video was from the company named Lagoon Car Rental. They have really great selection of the cars, amazing stuff and great prices. So if you want to go to Iceland, I will highly recommend it to you guys. During this trip we planned like this much. I mean, we improvised all day every day, which was fun and I love it. But the very next day after we rent a car, we were stuck on the beach. And I thought that was over for us. But suddenly, out of nowhere, there came one old guy and he just pulled us from the beach. I think we were really fortunate that he was so kind to help us. Nevertheless, I would love to thank a guy named Benc. He's a great sound artist and he just helped me with the sound design and sound effects. So yeah, I just linked his profile down below. Yeah, so I think that's it guys. So if you like the video, just hit like button and I would love to see some more subscribes. And if you want to see some other videos which I made, so it will be somewhere here. Yeah, and I just put all the technical stuff and all the lens and the equipment which I use in the video in the description of it. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks again and see you soon.